Welcome back to the frequently asked questions with the Henna guys. My name is Brianna, and today's question is, do I need to use a toner with henna? So for those of you that don't know, toner is a product that's typically used with blonde hair colors to remove certain unwanted brassy tones from that hair color. No, we don't recommend using a toner with henna. It may react with the henna and give you an unwanted hair color, doing totally the opposite of what it's intended to do for blonde hair colors. So definitely do not use a toner with henna. Also keep in mind that henna is a plant. It has a natural red tone. So if you are not wanting that and thinking that you could use a toner to pull out some of that red tone, that will not work with henna because it is naturally red. Lastly, henna cannot lighten your hair, and we also do not recommend bleaching your hair before or after henna. That's it for this frequently asked questions. Stay tuned for more from the Henna guys.